Hello everyone, welcome back. So finally, ICR rank list and scorecard had released. So now is the time for online registration. As we know, the online registration and choice filling will be started from 17th November 2021 from 5 pm onwards. So before that, we have to look at what are the important instructions given by ICR itself to follow before the registration. So in this video, we are going to discuss what are the important instructions each candidate have to follow before the registration. So let's get into today's video. So the first thing every candidate should note is that those candidates who scored 0 or negative marks in ICR UG 2021 are not eligible to participate in counseling. And when comes about the rounds of counseling, there will be 3 rounds of counseling and a mop-up round if needed. And every candidate should know that ICR does not allot any colleges to the candidates. They only allot university, and those university will allotted the colleges to each candidate. Okay. ICR allots only university to the candidates, not the colleges. That is, after the choice filling, if you get allotted to any universities, this university will selected in which college you have to study. And one of the most important thing to remember is candidate declared eligible for registration and choice filling are advised to remain in regular touch with the ICR websites, that is www.icr.org.in or www.icrexam.net. And 2, for BSc Community Science program at CCSHAU Hisar, PJT Hyderabad and CAU Imphal, only female candidates are eligible for these universities. It is very important thing to note. When comes to allotment, any leftover candidate who could not register for the first round of counseling are allowed to participate in the mop-up counseling by paying the prescribed counseling registration fee of rupees 500. And also those candidates who registered during the first round of counseling paid the prescribed counseling registration fee, but could not fill their choices are also allowed to participate in the mop-up round of counseling. In ICR counseling for admission in the academic session 2021-22, certain new features such as online document verification system and centralized payment of seat acceptance fee has been introduced. Thus, ICR 2021 online counseling enormously increases the overall convenience of the candidate as they are not required to physically report to the admitting university during any round of counseling. As I have already said, certain documents are required at the time of online registration. Only JPG files would be permitted to be uploaded. Files in other format like PDF are not permitted. The candidate would ensure that the uploaded documents have same information as submitted at the time of making online application with the NTA for appearing in ICR. And the uploaded images should be clear and sharp. Documents in support of category and PWD status should have complete required details, clearly visible seal, sign, date, and place of issue should be latest as per requirement. And all the details regarding the documents uploaded at the time of registration will be uploaded soon on this channel. So these are the most important instruction you have to follow before the registration, and it will be starts from today onwards from 5 pm itself. So please make sure to follow this channel for more updates on ICR. Thank you.